Hello, I'm Kara. Today we're visiting the headquarters of Foley Equipment in Wichita, Kansas. They have over 1,000 employees at 15 locations. Foley sells, rents, services, and provides parts for heavy construction equipment, like bulldozers, trucks, and backhoes, the types of equipment that people use to build roads and bridges. Today we are going to be learning about the job of a heavy equipment technician at one of Foley's service centers. Let's go! I'd like to introduce you all to Matt, a heavy equipment technician at Foley Equipment. Matt, can you tell us what a heavy equipment technician does?
My job's to repair and maintain customer equipment that they bring into the shop. We also have our own rental fleet that we work on and our own sales fleet that we work on. So I work on everything from backhoes to bulldozers and excavators to dump trucks. When a piece of equipment isn't working properly, the customer brings it to us, and it's our job to listen to the customer, run tests to figure out what the problem is, and then repair it.
This is a backhoe. Can you tell me more about what it does?
Yeah, it's used on construction sites to dig trenches and move dirt.
Oh, okay. So what did the customer say was wrong with it?
Well, they said this one wouldn't start.
Can you show me what you do to fix it?
Absolutely, let's do it. I charge the batteries. We're gonna lift the loader arms so we get better access to the alternator, and we're gonna lock the loader arms up. Now that we raise the loader arms, we're gonna test the batteries. I'm gonna let you hit the test button, and you'll see it tests good. Now, what we're gonna do is hook up ET and see what it says. What we wanna watch for is when we start it up, we wanna see that change. Now look at it. Alternator's charging. That's it. Easy peasy, right?
That was really cool. I bet it takes a lot of time to learn how to work one of these safely without crashing or something.
It does take some time. It takes a lot of time to learn the safety protocols, but after that, it's like playing with a big toy in a sandbox.
Now that I know more about what you do, I'm curious, how did you get interested in being a heavy equipment technician?
Well, when I was a kid, I liked to take things apart and put them back together just to see how they worked. My dad owned a car lot, so I used to help him work on cars, and then eventually worked my way up to yellow iron, which is the big construction equipment you see behind us, which I thought was way cooler. In high school, I was able to take college classes for free through Wichita Area Technical College, known now as WSU Tech. My junior year, I took automotive classes, and then my senior year, I took classes in their diesel program. Because I got started with my training during high school, it only took me 6 months to finish my associate's degree and be qualified to work on these big machines.
What do you like most about this job?
Well, no 2 days are alike. I get to spend time working on equipment and then go and test it. I really like that.
So if I'm thinking about becoming a heavy equipment technician, what should I do while I'm still in school to prepare for that?
Well, working hard in your math classes is really important. We deal with a lot of math here, measurements, fractions, decimals. It's a big part of what we do. Also, it's good to take a lot of career and technical education classes like shop and welding. A lot of what we do deals with computers and automation. It helps to have a good background in technology and basic engineering.
Okay, I like math and building things, so I think I'm on the right track. Anything else I should think about?
Well, Foley has a program, it's called Think Big. It helps young people get their start in the industry. It also helps pay for some of their school while they're doing it. Matter of fact, Cameron, come here. This is Cameron. He's currently enrolled in our program at the Oklahoma State Institute of Technology. He gets paid while he's working here, and he spends half his time in school and half his time here.
That's amazing. What do you like about the program, Cameron?
It's really great. I basically get paid to go to school. Foley also provided me with all the tools I'll need. I also earned my associate's degree while I'm down there and have a job to come back to. It really helped me hit the ground running.
How can people find out more about the Think Big program?
Well, there's a lot of information on our website, and we recruit all year long. It's a really awesome opportunity.
I'd like to thank Matt, Cameron, and everybody here at Foley Equipment for teaching me what it's like to be a heavy equipment technician. It really is a cool job getting to fix all these big machines. Be sure to visit higherpaths.com to explore other high-demand careers. Until next time, this is Kara signing off in Wichita for Cool Careers. Have a great day.